So we got this all torn apart. I've checked the O-rings on the pump itself. They're not leaking. I've checked the cylinder itself. It's not leaking, but we can clearly see that water is getting inside that cylinder. Now, what's suspicious though is if we come over here and take a look at, oh, there we go. You can see a little bit of a white film that's on the ram itself. There are seals that sit inside that cap that are to seal that tilt and trim off. Now, I believe the seals are intact, but someone has marred this surface. And when that tilt is sitting at that particular spot, it leaks. So a little bit tough to find, but we did find it. Customer needs a new ram and a new cap. We'll get things on order and get this guy back on the water.